Get down. Come here, Cookie. Cookie.
She won't talk to me. I walk over there and she'll run away.
It's a new place for her.
So she'll talk to me. She wants to be a.
This will get straightened out because she's eventually going to get tired of him and she's going to light into him. He might get bit. Hey! Big dumb lummox. Cookie. Angus, come here.
Stop yelling.
Angus. Sit right there. Sit right there. Come here.
Fat boy.
Sit down.
Do the truffle shuffle.
The who?
Do the truffle shuffle, fat boy.
I don't know what the truffle shuffle is.
It's off the Goonies, how the big fat boy messes his stuff. Okay. It's so dark.
You better cool it.
It's too dark to see this dog.
Get her up here in the light. Come on.
Go on, Cookie.
Get down. Angus, get up here. Angus. She's going to bite you and you're going to get bit on the nose and it's going to hurt and you're going to be mad.
Come here, Cookie. Alright.
Get away from that air conditioner, boy.
I can't even see this on the screen. Hardly. I can see his key. So dark.
Bring her up here.
Come on, Cookie.
Come on, Cookie. Come up here. Cookie, come here.
Yes, you have to ruin the party, Angus. He's like you at a party.
No, I don't act like that. I ain't some horn dog.
All the girls running away from you.
Sit down, Angus. Get over here, big lummox.
But you have your balls.
Who are you biting? You'll bite me. Angus! No! Angus, darn him, boy. Angus.
Get away, get away.
You want to smoke my cigarette?
You're an aqua doggy! Oh, now you have to lay down.
She's going to thank God. He's tired. Wore out. Probably going to end up having a heart attack.
Yeah, age 1 and a quarter. Don't bite me. See what happens when you bite me. I'll whoop you.
Angus. He's all hot now.
Hot. He's hot for this dog right here.
Here's little red rockets popped up.
Cookie's just a little... Ew!
Probably dead bugs in that water.
It's disgusting.
He's got no food. Hey, Cookie, you okay? Cookie. Is Angus too much for you?
Too much of a
like
man.
Big old drunk. Hey, little girl. You're in my yard now. Daddy brought me a toy.
You're disgusting. Sex pervert. Hey! Let's look at Cookie. They got me. Hey, you horn dog, get away from her.
Perv.
Hey, it's getting a little frisky over there.
Angus. Angus.
No, I know this is leading, Angus. Go, she'll bite your little penis off.
What you doing back there, fella? We don't know each other that well yet. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
A little oral?
Get in this position.
Little 69.
You're so gay. Wow, you have problems.
She thinks I'll bite the shit out of you.
Uh-oh, some frisky business. Stop sniffing her cooch.
Let's go.
Most girls don't like that.